Greetings of the festive season to all the parents and my dear students. On behalf of all the teaching and non-teaching staff of St. Joseph High School, Karai Shiroda, I take this opportunity to wish all our beloved students a very happy Children's Day. In India, we celebrate Children's Day on 14th of November as a tribute to our late Prime Minister, the first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. On the occasion of his birthday, to keep fresh the memory of his love and affection for the children. Rightly said by Chacha Nehru, children of today will make the India of tomorrow. Dear students, you are our blooming buds who will bloom into beautiful flowers of tomorrow. You are rays of hope for a better tomorrow. You are the building blocks with immense potential for a brighter future. You are God's unique gift to your parents as well as to all of us. Within you lies the freshness and magic to bring a fruitful transformation in our country. We, the teachers, wanted to make this day a memorable one for you. But COVID-19 pandemic has kept you home and school bears a deserted look. Dear students, our benches are empty and the teachers are missing your sweet smiles. But coping with these times, with these difficult times, is very important. These difficult times will soon come to an end and we are going to have fun and frolic very soon. Till then, let us protect ourselves from the deadly virus. So be positive, feel happy and enjoy the day at home with your family. Our teachers have prepared a short item for you. Hope you like it. God bless you all with the potential to transform tomorrow, to create a better society, a better India. Thank you. It's very important. These difficult times will soon come to an end and we are going to have fun and frolic very soon. Till then, let us protect ourselves from the deadly virus. So be positive, feel happy and enjoy the day at home with your family. Our teachers have prepared a short item for you. Hope you like it. God bless you all with the potential to transform tomorrow, to create a better society, a better India. Thank you.
तू मेरा सहारा, प्रभु तू मेरा सहारा, प्रभु तू मेरा सहारा, प्रभु तू मेरा सहारा। तेरे पथ पे चलो, तेरे चरण पढ़ो, प्रभु तू मेरा सहारा। तेरे पथ पे चलो, तेरे चरण पढ़ो, प्रभु तू मेरा सहारा, प्रभु तू मेरा सहारा। मार्ग तू मेरा सहारा, तेरे पथ पे चलूं, तेरे चरण पढ़ूं, प्रभु तू मेरा सहारा, तेरे पथ पे चलूं, तेरे चरण पढ़ूं, प्रभु तू मेरा सहारा, प्रभु तू मेरा सहारा, प्रभु तू मेरा सहारा, प्रभु तू मेरा सहारा.
Hello, my dear students. Our teachers are feeling prestigious as they come up before you with their skit, A Meeting in the Cemetery. Now you will see how the dead souls communicate with each other. I hope you will enjoy it. All human beings are subject to decay. But the fate summons and monarchs must obey. While alive, do what you must do, or at the end, you will bite dust. When the whole earth sleeps and vanishes in the dark abyss, we awake and arrive and hold parlance sweet.
Oh, the spirit has evaporated.
Maybe it has gone back to God.
Move aside, move aside. Let me investigate the case of the lost spirit.
I am a politician. I will take the case of the lost parade.
I know you will be able to do that. After all, you are my student. We have a new arrival. Looks like a student. Welcome, welcome, my dear daughter. Welcome.
Oh no, you are too here, teacher.
I had warned you about it, didn't I? I always used to tell you to ride the bike slow, to wear a helmet while riding, and to follow the traffic rules. But you never listened to me.
What is that sound I hear? Some meeting in the cemetery? Oh, a secret society. What a juicy piece for my book.
Oh, this person does not seem to be one among us. Neither does she look like a new arrival. Oh, this is fresh meat.
Yes, you all do not look like you belong to the land of the living.
Of course, we do not. We all are dead.
Sip this tea, an aged tea from the cemetery. It is freshly brewed.
This tea is for the seasoned soul. Let me caution my friend.
Oh, have it. It shall lift your spirit.
Look at her. There is some reactions taking place in her body. I can observe. This is my field of expertise. I got a new case in area of research.
This will be history in no time. I will document it, and the next generation will come to know of it. It might as well be included in the textbooks.
Move aside, move aside. Let me investigate. I was the top PI of Shirada police station, you know. I cracked so many cases.
Yes, and you cracked a skull too. Since we are introducing ourselves, let me tell you, I am a writer, and actually I want to be one of them. I am tired of writing of the daily newspaper. What do I earn? Peanuts. But now, when I write this story, this will be the right title for my untold stories. And I will be the writer, and it will be written by me, Clementina Menezes.
Oh, so we are going to appear on the book.
You should write about me. I have been a very successful doctor for my life. With exception of few, so many lives I have saved. You see, saving life is not only in the hands of doctor. God will also play an important role in it.
You may have saved a few hundred lives, but I shaped the lives of thousands of students who have passed from under my care. They have all become successful in life. I have tried to inculcate value in them. Clearly, my contribution is greater than yours.
But not greater than mine. All my life I have been researching, living among sacred tribes and documenting their life, which created history. The rest of my life I was fighting with various issues that threatened our state. And so, my dear teacher, how is it that you can teach your students today without me documenting all my research?
What about me? I'm the most important in this equation. You too would have no job if it were not for me.
What is that education? Look at me. I am 4th standard pass. I have name, fame, but no shame. I have half dozen of fraud cases. Media loves me. Therefore, I became the world leader. Write about me. I am the best subject for your book.
Don't listen to him. There are some people who think like him. Look at me. I am a scientist. I spend my youth and my whole family life in researching and developing a new formulas in math and science. I sacrificed my fun and hardly found the time to spend with my family and friends. But today, I am known as the one who invented electricity. The whole world runs on my creation.
But now we are in darkness.
So tell me, which one of you invented my spirit? As a student, the school was not good. Studies were too much. The teacher was nasty. And then this fellow found me my spirit, my companion, my best companion, my only companion.
This drunkard was the perfect victim. He was never sober enough to know how much I find him. He got poorer and poorer, and I got richer and richer.
People may live in mansions, but when they die, they live underground. They may hold big position in the society, but they are nothing when they die. When we are alive, we are acquiring position, name, and fame. But when we die, we take nothing, but depend on the mercy and the praise of others. So, in this faith, we are all living in this world. So, my dear friends, there's something to tell about it. Spread love, goodness, and peace among you all around.
That can be the moral of my story.
Oh, that means my story will be published in your book. How nice.
I got to rush to meet my publishers, and I have the deadline to give it to them. Thanks, guys.
Thank you. So, my friends, you all take rest now. I'll prepare a nice tea for you for tomorrow.
नमस्कार बच्चों, आज बाल दिवस है और इस दिन के लिए मैंने आपको खास एक कविता लिखी है। मेरी कविता का नाम है प्यारे बच्चे। उम्र में कच्चे फिर भी दिल के अच्छे, उम्र में कच्चे फिर भी दिल के अच्छे, मन के सच्चे प्यारे बच्चे, मन के सच्चे प्यारे बच्चे। सबके चहेते तारे, सबके चहेते तारे, उनके हसीन चेहरे कभी हमें हंसाए, उनके हसीन चेहरे कभी हमें हंसाए, उनके रोते मासूम चेहरे कभी हमें रुलाए, उनके रोते मासूम चेहरे कभी हमें रुलाए। भविष्य के वे पौधे, भविष्य के वे पौधे फल फूलों से भरे रहे, फल फूलों से भरे रहे। सुख चैन की जिंदगी जिए, सुख चैन की जिंदगी जिए, हमेशा हंसते खिलते मुस्कुराते रहे, हमेशा हंसते खेलते मुस्कुराते रहे। बड़ों से सम्मान से जुड़े रहे, बड़ों से सम्मान से जुड़े रहे। जीवन में ऐसे कार्य करे, जीवन में ऐसे कार्य करे जिससे सबकी दुआएं सिर पर छाए, जिससे सबकी दुआएं सिर पर छाए। धन्यवाद बच्चों।
Hi friends, today as we celebrate the Children's Day, I would like to wish you happy Children's Day. You are the future of tomorrow, and each and every day you have at your disposal is a precious day, and you too are precious. I'll tell you all one story, the famous story which you all might have heard of it, the hare and the turtle, or the rabbit and the tortoise. Both of them having a discussion, they said, who is the fastest? And they thought of having a race. And we know turtle is always slow and rabbit is fast. But they thought of having a running race. And the race started. The rabbit was quite ahead of the turtle. And he went fast. And he looked at the back and the turtle was quite behind. And therefore, the rabbit thought of taking a nap, sleeping. And he took rest under the tree. And by the time the turtle slowly it came, and the turtle reached the finishing line. And when the rabbit was awake, he saw the turtle had already reached the finishing destination. So who was first? It was not the rabbit, but the turtle. Although being slow, he was the winner. You are called to be winners. And to be winners, you all have to be shrewd enough. And to be winners, you all have to be quick enough. Life is a race. And therefore, each and every opportunity which you all get, don't miss it. Because once you miss an opportunity, it is missed forever. You might not get it back. And therefore, as students, try and strive to work hard. The harder you work, it's better for your future. It's not only you who will gain, the society will gain by your hard efforts. And therefore, put your love, put your heart and soul in whatever you do. A happy Children's Day. Have a great day. Have a great future. Thank you.
आवय देवा वाचलो एकदाचो जीव म्हजो कितें तुमी म्हाका हसतात आसात जाय तितले आसात जाणटेले म्हणल्यार बेकार कोणाकूच नाका तुमी जाणात हांव 2 दीस उपाशी आसा आयज म्हाका एका देव मनशान खावपाक दिलें ती पिशवी सोडोवपाक गेलो जाल्यार ह्या सुण्यांनी म्हजेर अटॅक केलो आनी ती पिशवी हांवें थंयच उडयली आनी म्हजो जीव मुठींत घेवन धांवत येयलो आनी हांगसर पावलो आनी ही म्हजी अवस्था पळोवन तुमकां सगळ्यांक हांसोंक येता तुमी जाणात हांव कोण तो हांव व्हडलो भाटकार पूण नांवाचो भाटकार उरलो म्हाका 2 पूत आसात हे 2 पूत ल्हान आसतना म्हजी घरकान्न म्हाका सोडून गेली देवाघरा पावली आनी हाचो सामान हांवेंनूच केलो पूण दुसऱ्या लोकांनी केलें ना वेल सेटल एक व्हडलो सिव्हिल इंजिनियर जाला आनी दुसरो बिझनेसमॅन पूण तेचे हांवें दोगांच्या लग्न केलें दोगूय तुवें म्हाका बरोबर करताले म्हाका टायमार जेवण दिवप वखदां दिवप कांयच उणें करनाशिल्ली ती बरी करताली तांच्या ह्या वागणुकेक लागून हांवें ताका एक दीस म्हणलें ही जी सगळी प्रॉपर्टी आहा ती तुमचीच आसा तेन्ना ती तुमकां सांबाळची पडटली हें आयकतकच तेंच्यांनी दुसरे दिसा पेपर तयार करून हाडले आनी म्हाका म्हणपाक लागली पप्पा हे पेपर वाचात पळयलें ना दोळे धांपून सायन केली कांय दिसांनी ती म्हाका आपलो रंग दाखोवपाक लागली म्हाका म्हणपाक लागली पापा तुका आतां काम करचें पडटलें कित्याक तो आमचे कडेन वावराडी ना आनी वावराडीक धुडू दिवपाक आमचे कडेन कांयच ना हांवें बरें म्हणलें आनी काम करपाक लागलो एक दीस काम करता करता म्हज्या हातांतल्यान एक व्हडलो वास फुटलो हें पळयतकच ती म्हजे आंगार येवपाक लागली आनी म्हणपाक लागली अरे तुजें काम करपाक जायना तूं कामाची रीत ना कोलो लागीं हांगसरलो तूं अशें जर केलें जाल्यार आमकां रस्त्यार काडटलो हांवें म्हणलें बाय म्हजें चुकून जालां ना म्हजी आत्वाशीच आयकूना लागली तांच्यांनी म्हाका हाताक धरलो आनी घरा भायर ओडून काडलो म्हजे दोनूय पूत म्हाका पळयत रावले पूण तांकां म्हजी काकूट येयली ना हांव तांकां पळयत रावलो जाल्यार ते कितें म्हणपाक लागले जाणा अरे तू कितें पळयता भेटो जाला आयकूंक येना तो लागला हांगसरलो आमच्या सुखान रावानी ही उतरां आयकतच हांव आनी कसर वतलो थंय हांव विसरलो आनी हांगसर पावलो जी अवस्था जाल्या तशी अवस्था तुमची जावची न्हय म्हूण तुमकां एक हांव सांगता भुरग्यांक ल्हानाचें व्हड करप तांकां शिकोवप बरे संस्कार दिवप हे प्रत्येक आवय बापाचें कर्तव्य जावन आसा पूण हें कर्तव्य करता आसतना आमी चिंतपाक जाय की फाल्यां सकाळीं भुरगीं आमकां ओर जातकीर पळयतलीं आनी भुरग्यांनो तुमकांय हांव सांगता म्हज्या भुरग्यान म्हाका जशें घरा भायर काडलां तशें तुमी तुमच्या आवय बापायक काडूं नाका ती तुमकां ल्हानाची व्हड करतात रीण काडून शिकयतात कांय सुणें करिना तांकां तुमी चडांत चड मोग दिया ती मोगाक आशिल्ली आसतात आनी ती कसलीच अपेक्षा तुमचे कडेन करिना ह्या घरांत ही दोन म्हजी उतरां बरें वता